This location. True. Why are we here? Why this location? This location's got a lot of history of a lot of different things, and one of the main things that I thought was very interesting about it is there's graffiti everywhere, and I actually grew up about 20 years of my life right down the street in Bay Meadow Projects, representing you guys out there. Shout out PE, T-Wall Ski, and the place to be. You know what I mean? Bay Meadow Rage. So yeah, I was growing up there, and I grew up around all this graffiti in this spot. There's a lot of graffiti, local artists, even out of Boston, Rhode Island, come down here and paint. So I thought it'd be a good location to film this landscaping thing.
Yeah. Fits in with the video.
Yeah. Yeah.
That vibe that we're going for, real artistic feel of the way of thinking,
Yep. It's all art, culture.
Like some people would look at this wall and what would you do with that wall?
Yeah.
People like us do things
like this on. We utilize it.
Right.
We bring it to life. We take it to the next level. If it wasn't for these guys being involved in this, then we wouldn't be here utilizing it. So we're all in this this cycle, this whatever it is, hip hop culture, just everyday life, underground, whatever you call it, mindscaping. It's all a movement. It's all cyclical. Everything is just a circle. It's a cipher. This is community. This is unity. This is all of that.